Welcome to Module 5. In Module 5, we will cover chapters 13, 14, and 15. Chapter 14 is all about product distribution and pricing, and the title of this chapter I really like. It says that product sales success, this is the part that it says, is all about offering the right product to the right person at the right place at the right time. That's a lot of different combinations coming together there, but that is how you sell your product. It has to all work out. Chapter 14 is about management leadership, and if you've ever been a manager or you worked under management, you probably have a lot to share on what works and what doesn't. Chapter 15 is about human resources. When you are hired for a job, you usually have to complete paperwork through the HR department. Unless it's a small business, there may not be an HR department, but a lot of the bigger companies actually have a separate department for human resources. The to-do list for this week: in order for you to successfully complete Module 5, you will complete Exam 3. The access code is Exam 3. Complete assignment number 6, which is the stock market research assignment. Complete assignment 7, which is marketing research. Read chapters 13 through 15 in the textbook. Review those chapter notes and complete chapters 13 through 15 quizzes. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a great week.